Too popular. This is it. All right. That didn't last long. These stupid tires have no grip. Almost died. Hell yeah. Please don't misfire anymore. Looks good, brother. I love it. Needs to air down. His tires are pumped way up for him to be spinning third gear like that. Misfiring car is about to get me crashed. I was so close to the curb. Those inches. My goodness. Doesn't want to rev in gear. I had to shut my car off, let it sit for a second to do that. It's misfiring, I can't. It's not doing anything. I don't know, it sucks. The misfire is horrible. Need to find out what it is. It's probably just an air leak, vacuum leak in the motor. Roman's spinning like always. Roman's always spinning. Hey! Alright, someone pulled up. I don't know if you can see that. Try to leave the camera on. Sounds good.
Right. Love you guys.
Love you.
Fucking rock,
That was the security, dude. That was so chill. She told us that was awesome, and she's like, "I'll leave you guys alone." That was insane. Wow, that was awesome. Roman's spinning like always. Roman's spinning like always. Roman's always spinning. Roman's always spinning. It is slippery here. I had to stall it. He didn't install it. This motor's pissing me off, so I had to just limit it.
In the car.
Dude, I just had to go to limiter. This thing pissing me off.
I like it. It feels good.
The S13?
Yes, feels great.
Insane. Oh, my throat is dry.
Transition's good. I just needed to get used to it. My head is in a different world right now.
That was sick. Sheesh. All right, dude, let my car cool off. Hold on. Police. That didn't last long. Pachate style.
Bad ideas, guys. Bad ideas. Yeah? Everybody take a seat on the bumper of your cars. Hands out of your pockets. You are not. All the warnings I got. I'm good on that.
Damn. TJ, what are we doing out here? Robbing a bank?
Dude, we must have robbed a bank, bro. We got 40 cops out here.
Why? And they're all chill though. They said they'll just take our documents and let us be on our way. But I feel like it's a little bit overkill. A little bit overkill.
Y'all just gotta go home or something? Like, wait, what do we do then?
Huh?
What do we do then? Get out of here?
You just said you'll take your documents and you're free to go.
So back to sliding? No.
Bro.
No.
Sit down and drive home.
Dude, it's
speed
crazy
limit.
Every time I pick this spot, bro, it's been like so dry, bro. There's never been a cop here.
Yeah, well, there. Yeah,
I promise you. I promise you. I wouldn't take you here if this would happen, bro.
I don't believe him.
Dude, I don't know.
They actually hired me to capture you all here at the same time.
Bro's not hired.
I'm an informative, bro. I brought you here for a reason.
Hey guys.
Yeah.
This is you right here?
No, that's he's talking with me.
Oh. He's
Sorry,
with this car
do you
right
mind if I'm recording? Or is that?
here? No, I'm good.
Okay. So,
We're all recording.
gotcha.
Alright, so you guys are gonna be let off with a warning today.
Okay, appreciate it.
I want you guys to understand, like, what you guys are doing, that's reckless driving. That's a criminal traffic offense. Okay, we're not gonna take that route. Again, it's just a verbal warning today.
Thank you.
Alright? I understand you guys got your cool cars, you wanna drive fast. I like cars, man. I like doing cool shit in cool cars.
For sure.
Right? But if you wanna do that, go to a track, dude.
Yeah,
Just
I
pay
feel
the
it.
money, go to a track, do it in a safe, controlled environment. No matter what, you're still on somebody's property.
sure.
You can damage their property, it turns into a whole big dispute, okay?
Okay.
So just be safe about it, man. You guys are all young. Don't ruin your driving records, it's not worth it.
Yeah, I appreciate it, man.
Yeah,
Thank you.
Yep.
Yeah, thanks for being so nice, guys. That helps.
Yeah. I mean, man, at the end of the day, right, it's fucking 2 in the morning.
Yeah.
There's nobody else out here.
Yeah, this house is right there too, huh?
Yeah.
Man,
I mean, at the very worst, you would have hit a concrete barrier and fucked your car up.
yeah.
But yeah,
Okay.
you guys are free to go, man.
I'm watching the camera.
PTSD from the cops. I thought they were gonna shoot me.
Alright, you're good. You got a lot going. Anthony, what are you doing? Come over here.
What's up?
There's an oil spillage of the cops to my family. My parents.